Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Furo Douglas and you are on my channel Furo TV. Okay. So today I want to appreciate every one of you who've been liking, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate, especially those of you leaving me comments. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Aloyalo. That is Nigerian word for today. Aloyalo. When you meet a Nigerian person, just say to the person, Aloyalo. It's like a salute. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave me comment. Don't forget to ask me any question. I am right there at the comment section 24/7 to answer all your questions. So today our video, just like the title says, is we're going to be creating a channel ad. So in case you want to do a channel ad with just one app, not two, not three, just one app, and you want to know how to do everything inside one app, that is inside one app, keep watching this video. So you go to your phone and then you open Peace Ad. This is Peace Ads. You close the ad and then this is it. It's trying to come up and then you see this plus button. You click it. At this point you've downloaded your YouTube banner ad template. You download it on your phone, so you just go to your photo gallery and then you know, I'll just go to download where the picture is saved that I downloaded. So you've downloaded this template. So you go to Google and you say YouTube banner ad or YouTube banner ad template, and then you see it to download into your phone, and then you download it just like this. So it will be on in your gallery or on your download, depending on what phone you use. So this is mine. And then you go to background. You can download background from Google if you want to, but I was just tired, so I didn't want to do any of that. So what I did was to use the background in Pixel. So what you do is you press add photo and then you see free images, white background. There's a lot of background, glitter, whatever one you want to use. So for this video, let's try to use this one, glitter. So it's coming up. I think this one look pretty good. So they're not coming up fast. My internet kind of slow, so let's just pick this one. Pick this one. So you just pick like 4 at the same time to download, so it makes your job faster. Or if you don't have the grace, you can pick one. So this is the 3 I have downloaded, 3 of this, and then I'll click add. I like this one too, so I'll download this one. That's 4, so I'll click add. And so when I say add, they are downloading. So let's wait for it. It just takes a few minutes to download. They are here. So we'll start using them. So we're going to use this, picking them one after the other. As you can see, 1, that's 2, and this is the 4th one. So we'll start using them to just cover up, but make sure you don't cover this area. Just cover up these places, this black area, avoid it. So you drag it down, drag it up. And then this one, the same thing you want to do. Drag it close to it, you bring it down. And then you extend it right here. Extend it up a bit. And then this one, the same thing you want to do. No. Just use your mind to just arrange it very well. So because you just want everything to see what I'm doing. As you can see, you move this one a bit and then you go up. So it wasn't enough for them because I want to use this one for the middle, so I have to go get one more. So you this same thing you're going to do. So let's use this one first before we go get one more. So I want to use this one to cover this middle, just like so. Make sure it doesn't exit anything. See, so we need one more, so we'll go back. You click here, they are done. Then you go back to add photo, you click free image, you look for the glitter one where we got it from. Glitters, where are you? That's it here. This was the one we were using. You click on add and they are yours. And then you go cover it again. Push it down. As you can see, that one is beginning to encroach into this one, so I have to be careful to see. Everything is beautiful, so you mustn't use this particular one. You can change different ones, but this is the one I decided to use for the sake of this tutorial. So you see everything is aligned and well kept, so you click on this and you see. Then if you want to add a photo on your channel art, you can just click. Let's go back again so you can get it. You add photo again, then you go to your gallery to look for what photo you like to add. So let's not go too far. Let's use this one for the purpose of this video, and then add. So you want to add it anywhere you like, maybe here, but you see the background is not going to let it sit pretty the way we want it to sit. So we want to take out the background so that it's going to just be only the picture. So you go to cut out. When you go to cut out, it's going to just pop out like this, and then you click on this little man right here. Boom, and the little man has done his job, and then you click on save. See, the background is gone, and then you can adjust it any way you like, anyhow you like, but make sure it doesn't exceed this area, because this area is what people that watch on mobile are going to be seeing, just this area, while they will see this one on TV and on laptop. So it depends. If you want to add something here, you can add, but I don't feel like adding anything here because most people watch YouTube on their phones. So I'll just put this one here and the picture. Make sure your head is not above anything, or below anything. You want to keep it to sit pretty. If you want to move it a bit, you move it anyhow you want to do it. If you want to increase it, you do so. If you want it to be larger, cover all the space. You cover. You want it to go like this. You want to be looking tiny. You want to look medium. Anyhow you want to look. Just position it to your liking. So this is it. This is a picture, and then you click keep, and it's done. So if you want to add text, so you go to add text. So you go to here, text. It says text. You click, and then this is just my name out here. So I'll just click on this. So if you want to change it because of so it can be more obvious, anyhow, any color you want to change it, you just click on color, and then just keep clicking, changing until you have your liking. I think I just like this color because it suits the background. So you drag it to increase it, whatever. So you move it, sorry about that. You move it to the area you want it to be. You want to add some stroke, you add it black or whatever color you need. So because it has this color and this color, so I'll just leave it at this color. And then, if you want it darker, you want it lighter, anyhow you want it, just keep playing with this thing and you get it. So when you're done with that, if you want blend, depend on what you want, just keep clicking and you just get what you want. But for this purpose of this video, I'll just leave it at normal. If you want shadows, just keep playing with it, blur, anything you want is going to give you. But the purpose of this video, I'm just going to say none. And then if you want it to bend a bit, just click on bend, and then just use this bend arrow to tilt it. So I think it's nice like this. So let's tilt it and move it to the right position. So if it's too much, you can do it a little, just like so. Just tilt it to your choice, to your liking, so anyhow you want it. So I'll just leave it like this. So anyhow you want it. Remember, you might want to put some more stuff, so you want to be careful. So just do it like so, move it a bit like so, and then you click this if you like it. So I think at this point I kind of like the way it looks. And then you want to add more text, like add what you do on your channel. Maybe your channel is a lifestyle channel, you just add text, the same thing, lifestyle, go here, the same thing. If you want to change it, the color, you click on color, black, this you can use this one, any color you want you can use for this purpose. Okay, so this is different colors if you want this color. So for the sake of this, I'll just use this color. So by using that color, so you move it, you want to enlarge it a bit, so right here, if you want to enlarge it, so you have to play around with it, arrange it the way you please, and that is it. So you want to add stroke, the same thing, you want to bend it, whatever you want to do to your liking, you are in charge, baby. So you click this one, and then what else do you want to add? You want to add the subscribe button. At this point, you'd have downloaded the YouTube subscribe button PNG on Google to your gallery, to your phone. And then I have it already on my phone, so you click on add photo, and then you go look for where you kept it. This is where I kept mine, and then is here, and I click on add, and it's here, and I just position it to where I want it to be. So if you want it to be here, anywhere you want it to be, just position it. You want it to be short, you see. So you just download any one of your choice, arrange it to your liking. So that is it, YouTube channel ad. So I put the subscribe button in case you want to put the Instagram one too, the same thing. You can put it here if you want to. Just arrange your picture and everything and put it where you want, and then you click and your YouTube channel art is ready. Now, one thing I want you to take note of is this might probably not upload on YouTube because maybe the size is not correct or is correct. So just not to give yourself double job, go to tool and click on resize. I think YouTube is 280. Just click on tools and then you click on resize, and then you fill in the number 2040 wide, and this I'm not sure, but I think it's this. But if it's not this, just be sure at your YouTube studio. Then you click on resize, so it's going to give you the actual size now, and then you click on this to save, and then you click on save. You pick where you want it to be saved, WhatsApp, whatever. So I want it to save in my gallery, and then I click on this and it's on my gallery, and then I click on done. So right now, if you go check me out on my gallery, you're going to find it right here. So this is it. This is it. So this is it. So that's how you can do your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you need a tutorial on how to upload it on your mobile, how to upload this ad on your mobile, please let me know. I'll do it for you, because this video is getting too long and I can't, add everything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.